Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make another Instagram account on the same device. So the first thing to do is to launch your Instagram application, go to your profile and then tap these three lines at the top right corner. Now here, what you're going to do is simply scroll down and look for multi-account login. You just have to tap that one if you can see that option here and then add your other account. But if not, no worries. You can just simply go back and then go to your profile. And then here you just have to tap this arrow facing down. And then we have here click add account, click that one. And then here you have options, log into existing account and create new account. So you just have to tap create new account if you want to create a new one. And then we have here choose your username. You just have to type any username here. If this one is not available, then they will tell you this one is not available. So you have to change it or you have to add numbers or symbols if you want, and then click next. After that, click continue, or you can click create password instead, and then click yes, continue. And then after that, you can now create a new account for your Instagram using the same device. As easy as that. So you just have to click complete sign up, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.